What's up guys, it's your girl London and I am back with a new video. And in today's video, I wanted to show you how I created this Halloween look that if I can do, you could do. First off, I am going to be using my NYX and this is the Pore filler just to use as my primer base. And make sure you guys put that all over your face because we about to put on a lot of makeup. Using my fingers or my hands, I'm going to blend that all into my skin. Now I am going in with my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation, and this is full coverage, and I'm just going to apply that to my face. I'm just going to treat this like I'm doing a full makeup look. Just move it around, sis. Move that foundation around and blend it. You guys, this is my first time ever trying to attempt a Halloween look like this. I've never done it before, so I'm a little scared, but there's nothing I can't do. Okay? So you just want to make sure you have that foundation all over your face. So now that we're done with that, we're going to go in with our Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. And this is in the color Golden. And we are going to apply that under our eyes. And let's go ahead and blend that in. You want to be very light when you're blending this. So next I'm going to use my LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Fawn. And I'm just going to put that on my eyelids. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with a regular blending brush. So I'm going in with the chocolate palette by Too Faced, and I'm going in with this color. It's like a black color, and I am going to pack that onto my eyelid, and this is going to give me that smoky eye effect that I'm looking for. Wow. Okay, here we go. Things are getting serious right now. It's no turning back. And most of this eyelid is going to be black. So you can use eyeshadow, or you can use a lip liner, or whatever you have that's black, really. I feel scary already. And you want to stop the black right here, like right above where your eyeball dents in. You want to stop right there because you're going to put a brown around that. Okay guys, so I am going in with my Warriors palette, and I am using the Kano color, which is that brown, and I'm just going to put that around my eye. And I feel like it helps when you look mean. So if you kind of look a little meaner, it kind of helps with putting the colors down. And you're just trying to get that smoky eye effect. Okay guys, so I want my eyes to be a little more darker, so I am going in with this liquid liner pen, and then I'm going to blend it in. And as you can see, it's already starting to get darker by using that liquid liner. And that's what you want. You want it to be a dark, really, really dark, and then a smoky black, and then the brown. It's going to tie it all in for that. I am now going to conceal my brows. You just want to blend that on out. I'm using my fluffy brush today. Now I am going to put on my Sacha Buttercup just to set my face. So using a smaller brush, I am going to go in with my Kano color and just put that right here. And like I said, it helps if you look angry. You want to do that very softly too. From the same palette, I'm going to be taking the Mino color and going over the Kano color just to make it a little more defined and darker. Going back in with my Kano color, I am going to still put that around my brows because I do want this to tie in, and that's what's going to tie it together. I am now going to go ahead and take off my setting powder. Now I'm going to work under my eyes, so right here under my eyelid, using my black liner. Just want to put that on your waterline. Now that I have my eyeliner on my waterline, I'm gonna take this small brush and just blend that out or smudge it. Okay guys, so next I am going in with my Morphe palette, and this is 35 OS, and I am using this orange color here in the corner to smoke my eye out. Like I say, you want to make sure your eye is very smoked out. You guys already know I like to put mine on before I actually start blending it out. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so using my blending brush, I am going to blend that out. You want to make sure the colors show. So you may have to put on a few coats of that orange color. I'm also going to put a little bit of that orange color right above the Kano color that I put in, and then I'm going to blend that out as well. I'm just trying to get colors that I know could make this look even more smokier. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. There is a burgundy color in this palette that I am going to use. You have to build this up, and that's okay. I really hope I'm doing a good job, guys. Because this is actually pretty fun to see what I'm, able to do. But it's very interesting too. So I went in with this color right here in the same palette. It is like a maroon burgundy type color. And it's right here. It's right next to the other maroon color. And I just use that just to increase the smoky eye underneath my under eye and around the Kano. Okay guys, so we are done with the eyes. I am going to go in with that same liquid liner that I used, and I'm going to use it for my nose. Now, I said I don't know how to draw. So this is about to be very interesting. So I am going to follow my nose bone a little. It kind of go outward and inward. This is like, this is kind of like crazy. Okay, so now that I have my liquid liner on my nose, I just want to go ahead and fill that in and make it even more darker. So I'm going back in with that black, and I'm just putting it on my nose. Just so you know, everything that I'm doing has to be built on. So you have to keep building the eyeshadow, you have to keep building everything that I'm doing in order for it to look smoky. Okay guys, so I'm working on my cheeks now, and to be safe, I am going to use a brown liner just to outline it because I don't want to make any mistakes. Now that I have that done, I am going in with my Warriors palette, and I am using the color Kano again to sculpt my cheek area. And I am using my fluffy brush to do so, just because I'm just trying to build onto that. I'm going to go in with a different color as well. But for right now, I'm just trying to build this up really quickly. And as you can see, you can kind of see it's like deepening my face. So we're gonna go in with the bigger brush, and we're gonna be using the Black Radiance Contour palette. And I am going to use that contour color for my cheekbone area. And this is very dark, just so you guys know. And I am gonna go back and forth with that. On both sides, because what you do to one side, you gotta do to the other side, okay? Now that I have that done, you wanna go in with that black, and you're gonna go on top of the brown and blend that in. And I'm taking a smaller blending brush for that, just so that I can get the line correct. Using that same brown from that Black Radiance, I am going to put it around my forehead. Okay guys, so going in, I'm going to use my Fenty. I found that this is going to be better to get that straight line up that you need. I was playing around with this and also the contour, and I feel like this gives you the best outline to to have that sunken look. You just want to draw that line and kind of go down. I started on this side, but I want to make it a little more deeper, just like that. And you just want to blend that out. Like I said, this is giving you a more sunken in face look, and that's what I'm going for. And you can add as much as you need to give you that look. Now I'm going to put a little bit of black, so I'm going back in with that Too Faced, using that same brush. And I'm just going to put a little bit of that black here. I'm going to blend it in a second. Remember, anybody could do this. If I could do it, you could do it. Because I'm not a drawer at all, and I've told you guys that several times. So if I'm saying that this is an easy look, it's an easy look. You just don't want any harsh lines, so make sure you blend that out really well. Using my eyeshadow, I put a little concealer on my lips. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my lips just to make it really black. Clearly I can't get everything black, so I'm gonna have to go in with a little pencil, a little liner, and do the rest. So using this same liner, I'm gonna go ahead and make a straight line. I'm gonna now go ahead and draw my teeth. Thanks for watching, guys. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. This was my first time creating something like this. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, comment down below and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. As always, treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.